Hello and welcome to a brand new video. If you're stuck in cycles of procrastination, Brainway claims to help you break free. It's a habit tracking and behavior analysis app that doesn't just log what you do, it helps you understand why you lose focus. Now, what you can do is that you can track mood, you can track energy, focus, sleep, diet, exercise, and so much more. Over time, Brainway just shows patterns in your habits that affect productivity. It also integrates with Google Fit and Apple Health, so you can have your data sync automatically. Users like that it's more than a to-do list. It's about self-awareness. On Reddit, people mentioned seeing small improvements and focus in discipline, especially when they used it consistently. There's a big catch though. Billing complaints. A lot of people have been saying that you can't cancel in the app, which a lot of apps do that. You can only cancel if you email support, and some reports being charged after trying to cancel. Trustpilot reviews include warnings about trials and auto-renewing without reminders and refunds being difficult to secure. Bottom line is, I'd say that Brainway can be very valuable if you're serious about analyzing your habits and tackling procrastination. Just stay on top of your subscriptions, and remember, the app only works like anything in life if you actually stick with it. So make sure that you do that because, and what I just showed you is setting up the app. So you basically just tell it what your problem is, and it tells you after analyzing you what your procrastination level is and what you can do to increase focus. But with anything in life, all you need to do is to be consistent and stick with whatever it is that you want to stick with in order to actually be able to follow through with it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.